Install Visual Studio Code. Go to visualstudio.microsoft.com, Downloads, and download Visual Studio Code for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions to complete the setup. Go to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the left sidebar. Search for HTML in the Extensions Marketplace. Install the HTML CSS support and Live Server extension by clicking on the Install button next to it. Create and edit HTML files. Open a new file by clicking on the New File icon or pressing Ctrl+N. Save the file with a .html extension, for example, index.html. Start coding your HTML content. Visual Studio Code will provide helpful suggestions and auto-completions as you type.